How to turn off Plex TV notifications on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can turn off notifications that you receive on the Plex application. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you basically use the Plex application over here and then you would like to turn off any sort of notifications that you get from Plex, it's actually quite simple. Go ahead and launch the settings application here and then go to notifications. From notifications, you can simply try looking for the Plex application over here. If you do find them, you can turn off the toggle next to the Plex app here like this. Now, in case you don't find them over here, what you can also basically do is just go to the option called TV suggestions and just look for the application called Plex TV. So you can just scroll down under it, you'll find Plex, turn off the toggle next to Plex, and you will no longer receive notifications from the Plex app. This way you can turn off notifications from the Plex app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.